are there any AI or software tools that can help people to edit and format their CV correctly?
Yeah, yes, is the short answer. I'm not going to go down the rabbit hole of what they are. You just have to use ChatGPT to figure it out. Clients have told me that people have worked out ways to use that technology, AI technology, to answer their psychometric tests, which is mind-boggling, because to think that people are, and they're passing the test, because the fail rates are ridiculously high with these tests. You can run your CV through basically the basic version of ChatGPT and get a better version back. But then I pass it by a human, and most importantly, back to what I was saying about doing all the research, pass it through that mentor or accountability partner, or maybe that CMO that you've now made friends with. Like, don't tell them that you've actually used it, but say, look, I've been updating my CV. Like, that's the best. I'm working with I'm helping someone in the tech sales space at the moment, and we've got his CV to, I think, a great place, but now I've shared it with 3 chief revenue officers who are ex-clients of mine to really put it under scrutiny to see if it would get their attention. Yeah, I work in the industry, I have those connections, but why can't you leverage both what technology's given you and what real humans are in terms of qualitative feedback will give you as well?